everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? Well, I might say good morning because my sleep hasn't been good. I got off work this morning, but that's not what I do want to talk about. Tomorrow is my trip to Italy, and Genoa, Italy. It's the day before tomorrow, for the 5th time this year alone. And I must say, holy crap! This is a new place for me. I've been to Italy before, but not Genoa. So I'm getting kind of nervous. I do wonder what it will be, but hopefully it will be awesome. I'm gonna explore as much as I can, and I have been looking into going on some detours as well, going down to Portofino and San Fructuoso just to see other parts of Italy, and maybe I will go into going to LaGuardia inwards, relatively close to Milan. So it might happen, depending on how I feel about it. I do have time for it, but it depends on how much I explore of Genoa, so to speak. So tomorrow, Italy. I booked my trip. I packed my bags, as you might have seen in my last video. Well, that's my version of packing anyway. So yeah, it is happening. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. And if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.